testing tune back at the track with the new 555. Let's see what she's gonna do. He's gonna come out with a 150 shot. Daisy first date at the track. He don't even care. Look at him smiling.
Hi, baby.
All these loud engines. Let's see what she can do, guys. Here goes Uncle Chris. Yeah, baby.
Gonna take the Chevy Chevelle down the left side on the Pro.
He's at the track, mind you. Second run, coming out on a 325 shot. Look at my little nephew. Wow, this run is going to come out on a 475 shot. This dude is out cold. Alright, sorry guys, for some reason I didn't record, didn't hit record on that amazing race.